Faucet repair, bib cock. Like any other faucet, a bib cock, after years of use, will result in dripping due to wear and tear of its parts. The leak mainly occurs from the spout and around the inlet. In this session, we will perform the repair on a dripping bib cock. Every faucet consists of an inlet, a handle, and the spout on the outside. On the inside, faucets consist of packing nuts, packing washers, compression washers, valve seat washers, and nut. Valve seat washer controls the flow of water through the spout. This valve opens or closes depending on the direction we turn the handle. Let's first familiarize with the tools and materials required for the job. For the repair, you would require an adjustable spanner, adjustable pliers, a valve seat washer, scissors, and Teflon tape. Now, let's start the repair. The repair of a dripping bib cock depends on where the leak is occurring. One leak is from the spout, and another around the inlet. First, let us repair the leak from the spout. Turn off the main water shutoff valve that feeds the water pipe. Then, using an adjustable spanner, turn anti-clockwise and remove the tap body. Holding the bottom of the tap with pliers, loosen the piston from the body of the tap. Carefully inspect the valve seat washer. The washer is worn out and needs to be replaced. Now, loosen the nut in order to remove the valve seat washer. Replace it with a new washer. Tighten back the nut to the bolt with adjustable spanner. Then, fix the washer back into the piston roll. Adjust with an adjustable spanner. Turn on the water supply to check if the leak has stopped. If there is a leak around the inlet, apply Teflon tape at the threaded end of the tap. Fix the tap back onto the water supply line. Tighten with an adjustable spanner. Finally, turn on the water supply. Check for leakage again.